Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a shopping campaign in Google Ads 2026. Shopping campaigns are perfect for promoting your online store's products and driving sales. So let's get started and get your products in front of eager buyers. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing is to link your merchant center account to your Google account. We're gonna go to Tools and then Settings and then go to Linked Accounts and then link your Google Merchant Account Center to your Google Ads account. You're gonna go to your Google Merchant Center and make sure you sign in or you create your account in Google Merchant Center. Once you do that, you're gonna go back to your Google Ads account and then make sure to link it via the tools and settings once you start your business and start your campaign. After that, you're going to ensure your product feed is up to date and approved. After that, you're going to create a new shopping campaign. In your Google Ads dashboard, you're going to click on plus a new campaign, and then you're going to choose either sales or leads. Make sure to choose sales or leads as your goal. After that, you're going to select shopping as the campaign type. When you're asked to select a campaign type, you're going to choose the shopping. As you can see here from this list, you're going to click on shopping. After that, you're going to configure the campaign settings. You're going to name your campaign, then you're going to choose the linked merchant center account, and then select the country where you want to sell your products. As for the fourth step is to set your budget and bidding. Enter your daily budget and choose a bidding strategy such as maximize clicks or target ROAS. And for the fifth thing is to choose the products group. You're going to create a products group based on categories, brands, or custom labels, and adjust bids for each product group as needed. As for the sixth step is to launch your campaign. You can review all settings, then click on save and continue to launch your shopping campaign. And make sure to regularly update your product feed for accuracy and use custom labels to segment products for better control. And also make sure to monitor performance and adjust bids for high performance products. And that's how you set up a shopping campaign in Google Ads 2026. With the right products and optimization, you'll drive sales and reach your target audience effectively. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.